शुभ सन्ध्या गाइस। आज चाहिँ अलि ढिलो भयो। म हल्का बाहिर गएको थिएँ हैन, भर्खर आएको छु। त्यही नि आज मार्केट चपी थियो, सो आज मैले केही ट्रेड लिदिन नै सोचेको थिएँ, तर स्टिल त्यस्तो राम्रो सेटअप त कुनै भेटेको छैन। थियो रहेछ एउटा सेटअप त रहेछ यहाँनिर, तर we didn't get it. आज चाहिँ मैले भिडियो आफ्नो फेस नदेखाउने सोचेको छु। आज चाहिँ कुनै पोजिसन यदि मार्केटले दियो भने दिउला, नत्र भने चाहिँ will simply go through my strategy. I'll explain some of the strategy I use. I use I have 2-3 types of setups. They are mostly ICT concepts. Yeah, they are. And I'll show you by back testing later. Right now we'll look for some setups. Let's go. New York Killzone लगभग सक्यो अघि नै। भोल्युम एरिया लो भन्दा नि तल आएको छ। अहिले कस्तो छ? It has broken all these levels where there was the most amount of orders were taken. Here is the point of contact, and this is volume profile high, and this is volume profile low. So we almost यही भोल्युम प्रोफाइल हाई र लो को बीचमै धेरै खेलेको देखिन्छ यहाँनिर। हटाएर भोल्युम प्रोफाइल भन्दा लो तलै गइसकेको छ। हायर टाइम फ्रेममा हेरौँ। फर्स्ट अफ अल जहिले पनि म बिहान उठ्ने बित्तिकै look into daily profile, daily candles, and then after I go to session profile, I draw lines. I find dealing range. There's always liquidity above dealing range, so we find the liquidity, the last manipulation leg from where the manipulation started, and market displaced from there, from where जहाँबाट चाहिँ हुन्छ नि मार्केटले डिस्प्लेस गरेको छ म्यानिपुलेसन गरेर, अनि चेन्ज इन स्टेट अफ डेलिभरी पनि बनाएर गरेको छ। त्यहाँदेखि त्यो भन्दा हुन्छ नि लोको म्यानिपुलेसनले बीचको रेन्ज चाहिँ डिलिङ रेन्ज भन्छ है त त्यसलाई। every day we find dealing range and we hunt liquidity. So आजको मा चाहिँ डेली भयो डिलिङ रेन्ज हायर टाइम फ्रेम विकलीमा चाहिँ यस्तो छ डेलीमा हिजोको क्यान्डल के भएछ कन्टिन्युएसन क्यान्डल छैन सो इट्स लाइक क्यान्डल सानै बनेको छ अहिलेसम्म हिजोको पनि कन्टिन्युएसन क्यान्डल छैन and so we can see buying त्यस्तो strong छैन buying is not very strong it's like chopping around here here's a gold को है त so continuation candle छैन डेली चाहिँ यहाँ छ विकलीमा चाहिँ तल थियो सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी डेलीमा चाहिँ यहाँ छ daily को buy side liquidity so our dealing range is between this zone sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity we'll only look after buying or selling when it sweeps between here SSL and close above this level it has to wick below this and close above this in high time frame in on daily maybe yeah if it didn't happen today if it doesn't happen today it will happen tomorrow for sure so liquidity answer we'll be looking for sale on the buy side and the sale we come to high lower time frame 1 hour 1 hour time frame my case we have minor sell side liquidity here minor sell side liquidity तलको चाहिँ यो चाहिँ मेजर हो major sell side liquidity although we have swept below this sell side liquidity multiple times twice and of course multiple times yeah so it's touching this level more than once right so buys is short sale for today but let's see if we sweep below this level closed above this level and if we break above this if we inverse this fair value gap convert it into IFVG inverse fair value gap so what is inverse fair value gap जब मार्केट यहाँ स्वीप गरेर यो फेयर भ्यालु ग्यापलाई ह्युज डिस्प्लेसमेन्टको साथ ब्रेक गर्छ अनि तब चाहिँ यो फेयर भ्यालु ग्याप इन्भर्स हुन्छ अनि we will be anticipating the market to come to the fair value gap which is inversed So we call it inverse fair value gap. Test this level and go higher. Otherwise, if we fail to break above this level, we'll probably go to the major sell side liquidity. Or you can't say anything. Market can chop around like this, around here, taking liquidity back to back and go wherever it wants. Market has its own way of doing its thing, It's yeah, market can be brutal. Nobody knows. It depends on you. Depends on your risk management. What the fuck is wrong with this? Alright. This this is significant. This zone is significant because we have this inverse, this fair value gap inverse, and while inversing this fair value gap, we created another fair value gap. So yeah, this is confluence. But on higher time frame, we have created change in state of delivery. We we open today, creating range gap, and it tested this level, this fair value gap, which was acting as support, long-term support. This was actually all. This was inversion fair value gap. But we can see there was no volume, not much volume in this range. Sellers were not strong at this at here, but when they come up to this point, when it closed below this range gap, this opening gap, and we open New York, and we went down, took this liquidity, this another minor sell side liquidity. We can't actually count this because this is very minor. Yeah. But remember, market moves really fast when there is no one in the market, because this is not that good confirmation, or this can't be good A plus setup. We'll wait for this zone. And if it breaks above this this fair value gap. We'll look for setup, or we are just going straight to this major sell side liquidity down here. This is the one. This one is major sell side liquidity. This was yesterday's sell side liquidity. We have made another dealing raise today, which was we started from here to here. So this was the dealing range for the day. This high was made by ace in Killzone. I think we are going straight to the major sell side liquidity. We have a lot of stop loss down here and down here. There has to be purse on liquidity. Have you ever heard of it? If you have watched ICT, he uses these terms most of the time. Yeah, it's a good term. I really like how he comes with new terms for the market. He's creative with that. I like it. Let's hear some music too. Yesterday I was thinking about adding some music behind, in the background. Let's go with some music. Let's go with some, house music. Let's go on lower time frame. 5 minutes, yeah. Let's look on 5 minutes. We have huge gap on this. And this is confluence. This is high probability short position. If we'll get from here. Or we break above this level and create some structure, create some sweep, and or CSID, of course, create some fair value gap and inverse it, and then we'll look for entry. So we don't have much significant move on New York AM, so that will most probably is coming in New York PM session. It will start after 12 o'clock Nepali time if you are Nepali. Now let's wait. I started trading NQ NASDAQ futures from today on my funded futures. I just bought an account and I'm trying to pass it. Let's see how it goes. So I can see 1 minute fair value gap inversed here, and it's quickly going upward, and shorts were quite, they weren't that strong today. Here it's sweep. This is minor liquidity, minor sell side liquidity, and we have major sell side liquidity down below that level. This is minor sell side liquidity, and this is major sell side liquidity. This one is major. We have swept below, swept and closed above the minor sell side liquidity. We flip this fair value gap. Let's see how. We don't see good candle close above fair value gap. It has to be with huge displacement. The one single candle has to close above this level, but still this can be significant on NASDAQ because it's really choppy. And let's look for SMT on 1 minute. We didn't close up below this level on here, but we are quite close from here on ES. So we have diversion. This could be high probability trade because we have huge low resistance liquidity above this level, so market can go up to this level. This fair value gap was inversed. This is SMT. SMT has been created. Well, it's not yet SMT. We have to wait for the confirmation. Look how we displaced it after closing above this level. This could be enough to pass funded trading, funded challenges. This small move can this small move can be enough for you to pass funded challenges on ES, on NQ 100, NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures. One tick is like $20, it's huge. One tick costs $20. So we'll wait for S&P 500 to create SMT, and it has closed below this level. what's up with this gold is holding this level. हिजो नि यस्तै बनाएको थियो यसले setup. It was quite similar. Yo, similar. So we'll go to 1 minute. Yeah, we see some kind of rejection from here. If we flip this level, close below this level, we are entering.
Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad, without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited...
Dang guys, I haven't subscribed with Spotify. I won't yet. Hold on guys, we are not sure yet. We did not sweep below. We have created. Let's go guys, we are entering here. Let's go, we entered here. And our stop loss is right here. For above this fair value gap. If we close below above this, we are done for the day. Let's go guys, we have already entered. I have taken position on my funded account. It's like 5k funded account, 2 step. I actually don't like these funded accounts, CFDs, forex. I don't like this. Those sports are not good. But I like futures. Very small spread, very low commission, and very huge profit and very low price. Let's see guys, we have entered. Your stop loss is kind of very small, 30 pips almost. We are anticipating for the breakdown. But this one is kind of risky. But it can work because it just displaced from this confluence. This zone was fair value gap, and no, this zone was inverse fair value gap. We are targeting these lows, 10 pips. If it goes, it has to go, it has to displace really fast. Otherwise, our bias is totally wrong, and we are done for the day. We have created SMT. On ES. Yeah, we already tested this level. Yeah, fair value gap. So we are again waiting for this level to be tested. Or if it breaks above this level, we are entering right there. Only 16 points. Stop loss right below here. If we this is the trade in context. If this candle closes above this level, or when if market displaces right above this level, it can go in one candle. It can run in one candle, or either it can come again to test this level. We missed this one, but yeah, we won't miss this one if it breaks above this level. Kind of choppy though, it's really choppy. um, it's choppy on sell side, but it's kind of clean in buy side right now. Not pretty clean, but we had this move, some big moves. Yeah, really big moves today. We have created we have created SMT, so our bias is kind of strong. Let's see if it breaks below this level. We are not entering. We are not doing anything. एरम के हुन्छ त्यस्तो भोलुम त राम्रो आएको छैन, तर जब भोलुम आउँछ एकैचोटि जान्छ, जान्छ नि फेरि प्यार हान्छ नि फेरि तल। त्यही एउटा प्यार चाहियो, 100 पिसको प्यार हान त। It's trying to break above FVG back to back. It's actually inverse fair value gap. Is we have broken above this level. Let's see if I can get my Q. Yeah, it displaced from this level, and we created candle 2. Here we went above this, wicked out, and closed below this. But and this move was this red candle, a real manipulation candle. I think we are wrong for the day on gold. So the analogy I put before is this is the liquidity, this is the sweep. Might be right. And we hit our stop loss. We wicked out, but let's see. We just took the liquidity. We should have sticked with our original, 3R 100 pips layout that I had saved before. Yeah, perfect. From this trade can be more validated. Let's see if this close above this level, we are out. Then my bias is totally wrong. Never come to market thinking that you will be right and you will be making money. That simply doesn't how it works, guys. That's the moment when you will start. Yeah, guys, we were right. I was right. We wicked out, but we are still going down. There is no volume on buy side. Let's go, guys. 100 pips target and 30 pips loss. Stop loss. Let's see what's going on with NQ. Yeah, guys, we hit our target on NQ. Very small profit, but very significant. We might go higher. It might go up to here. We have low resistance liquidity all over this place. So stop loss at break even and just wait and watch, guys. If it hits break even, it's alright. Okay. Like it doesn't give us, we don't take it. We won't be sad because it will give us tomorrow. We won't be forcing ourselves into the market. Yeah, I was right here and I was right here. We made SMT, came. Let's see, guys, how it works. Let's see, guys. We have two trades on the line, one on gold and one on NQ. Then will we hit our break even? It was more than enough. If we already hit our profit, by the way. We're just waiting for you know something to happen. We're just here to check if our bias was right for this. Lot. I'll go eat. Until then, guys, just you can manage your risks and just hold. Yeah, we were right on NQ as well. We bounce right from our entry above we didn't hit our break even on NQ. Can still manipulate on goal. It has created, it has inversed this fair value gap, but we are sticking to our plan. Still sticking to our plan. Let's go, guys. Hold your positions. So I was right. I was right. We hit 10 pips, 100 pips on gold spot, and we hit our break even, but we were already at profit right here. We scalped this, and this was more than enough to pass any funded firms, prop firms. Let's go, guys. We hit our TP on gold spot, 100 pips, very clear, you know, very clear draw on liquidity. We are kind of, slow yet. We don't have much volume though, but it will come after it breaks below this level. Yeah, this was not valid CSID because we don't have sweep below this level. Crazy, guys. For the fifth day, I have given you 100 pips and little profit on NQ as well. um, I didn't take the position. I was just testing. I'll be entering on this market very soon. I'm testing this. I'm testing on this. I'm testing my system on this chart back and forth, and I'm trying to work with SMT. I'm not yet there yet, but we'll be there soon. As I have already built some confidence on my system. Yeah. For the fifth day, we have made 100 pips. We have made 100 pips. We made this for straight 5 days. Let's go, guys. So, this much for today. I was out for lunch. I'm sorry, dinner. I just came. So, good bias, good setup, good profit. If you have taken my call on this train, you would have been profitable. Let's go. Enjoy your profit. See you tomorrow. Take care, guys.